Bahala na sila magplano, bahala na yung relative ko mag-supervise. Bahala na system, it's a big mistake. I urge you na kung meron ka lang namang budget for professional advice and supervision, then do it. Huwag kang gumaya sa akin na maraming nasayang na oras, materials, pera, at maraming back job. With this one, mas mahal siya kaysa sa tamang paraan. Before ka magpapagawa, you have to conduct your own due diligence. Do your own research. Kahit basic lang ng construction, alamin mo kung paano siya ginagawa. Para kung may mali, ma-correct mo agad. Pro tip, kahit pinagawa mo na siya sa isang contractor, engineer, architect, or you have your own foreman, bilang isang owner, kailangan may alam ka because it saves you a lot of resources like money, time, and mas naiiwasan mo ang unnecessary na stress. Not all the time na may engineer or architect ka na nakatutok sa project. And hindi rin sapat na may foreman ka. Kahit papaano, you have to make sure na marunong talaga yung mga tao niya. Akala ko talaga dati, if you have the money, okay na. Sila nang gagawa ng lahat and magiging okay ang lahat. Pero hindi pala talaga. Doon pa nagsisimula ang problema. Yes, papunta pa lang tayo sa most exciting part. So again, the biggest lesson ko sa construction is yung bahala na system. Walang kahit konting knowledge and overtrust sa contractor. And back jobs, sayang sa materials, sayang sa pera, and ang stress ang naging resulta. What I learned though is for me to learn the basic of construction, be hands-on, control the materials, and choose the right people doing the project. Now, hindi ko kailangan maging expert, okay? But kailangan ko as a business owner na maging aware sa pinapasukan kong business. Alright? If may balak kang magpatayo ng isang rental business, save this post or share this with your loved ones or your friends.
At Real Blueprint Realty Services,